tell us about the state of the private cloud, the road to the private cloud, and your outlook?
Right. So we're engaged in cloud infrastructure software, the IaaS layer, and we're seeing that the whole shift to cloud is driven by the public clouds. The private clouds are doing the same things inside the firewall, but the big push and the big momentum is on the public cloud side. And you have to understand how this will evolve over time and how in the future compute power will migrate between private and public and back, and you'll run your compute power wherever it makes sense. If you decide to run it within your firewall, we are there to take it and run it for you, and our software can do it. And that's the whole market that we see evolving. It will disrupt every single data center on this planet. So it's a big thing, and that's also why it's taking years, not months, to make it happen.
And can you tell me how it is transforming the industry, and especially in terms of scalability and reliability?
It's changing the industry in many different ways. The most visible one is the way we design and deploy software today. That we've shifted from the waterfall method to agile methods. We have DevOps teams. We do a lot of experimentation. We deploy in a scale-out fashion rather than a scale-up fashion. And very importantly, on the cloud, when you design software, you must design for failure. In the old world, we were taught that hardware you can always rely on and software is not so reliable. Today it's the opposite. In a cloud you must be prepared for any resource to go away and disappear at any moment, but the software must be ready and prepared for that. So you design for failure, which means that software applications are written in a different way today.
Do you think failure is the mother of success?
I believe that innovation is a key to success, and you have more innovation when you lower the cost of failure. And you do it very concretely by developing software in small increments, so every failure is cheap and you can quickly detect it. But also in the larger set, in the high-tech world, that's where you have VCs who invest in companies, so you can test out things, and if it doesn't work, you quickly learn and then you adapt. So yes, I think we are coming to realize that Darwinism is a very powerful mechanism. You know, try a lot of things and keep what works, and then don't cry about the things that didn't work. Just move on. And Darwin said it's not the most intelligent who wins, not the strongest, but the one most adaptive to change. And that's a very deep insight that he had, and many people ignore it.
So what do you see as the key challenges or roadblocks to the future of cloud computing?
It's a major shift, which means that it will be costly to undergo it. So you have to abandon old hardware, old practices, you have to relearn things, and conservative decision makers will say, hold it, let me wait another year, because it's so expensive to embark on this necessary change. And that's how you get the adoption life cycle, which is different for different organizations. Some are very pioneering in their mindset, others are very reactive and slow moving.